Hey everyone, what's up? My name's Ashley. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be doing a Yoga Club unboxing. Yoga Club is a monthly subscription box for $79 a month, and you get different items like leggings, sports bras, tops, all sorts of fun stuff. And to have them curate the box for you, you take this cool style quiz, and it's like, do you like these type of pants versus this? Do you like this type of fit versus this type of fit, if that makes sense? So I filled it out to my taste in clothing for workout stuff, and they curated this box specifically for me. So this is mine. I'll show you what's inside. The first item is these leopard leggings by the brand VIE Active. It's cool because I don't live near like a ton of activewear stores, so it's nice that I can like try high quality brands in this box, and they're like 60% off. So these are them. They have like an ombre type material. I'll show a clip of me trying them on. They have like a white lining, so they highlight your muscles on where it's bigger. You'll see in the video, but these are them. Then next we have this sports bra. It has this cross-hatched back to it. It's very stretchy and supportive. This retails for $48, so that's like half the cost of the box right there. The next item is this tank top with an open back. This is by the brand Visakai, maybe is how you pronounce it. And this says it retails for $58, so you're getting quite a good deal. So those were the items that were specifically curated for me and my taste. So be sure to check out yogaclub.com to check out what they curate for you. I do have a coupon available for you guys, which you can click on right here or down below in the down bar. So these are some of the brands that you can get in the box. Like I said, you can get like a variety of high-end brands 60% off in the box. And unfortunately, I don't live near any of these types of stores, so I can just get them in this box. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I get a new workout outfit, I'm just so excited to go try it out at the gym. So I'm definitely going to wear them on leg day this week and just go all out and give it my all. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to check them out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.